Recently, I went to change a filter in my full house reverse osmosis water system, and I noticed that the water inside of this indicator right here is extremely yellow. Typically, it should be very clean and transparent. I checked the control unit on top of the regeneration tank, and it was completely off. I tried to press the buttons to turn it back on, but it wouldn't do anything. If you found yourself in a similar situation, there are a few different things you can try to fix the problem. First, follow the power cable and find the outlet it's plugged into. Test the outlet with a different, good known working device and make sure it works. If not, it could be something as simple as the GFI breaker or the other breaker inside the electrical panel in your garage. If that doesn't work, take off this panel to access the circuit board. Then unplug the main power and let it sit like that for up to 5 minutes to allow it to reset itself. In my case, that still didn't do anything, which brings me to the step number 3. Unplug the power again and take out the coin battery that's responsible for saving the clock time and the control board settings. Doing that is going to cause all of the settings to be lost, and you're going to need to reprogram certain things a little bit later. But as you can see, after putting everything back together, the control board started working again. Now all you have to do is press and hold the set button to adjust the clock. And if you'd like to clean the tanks, you can start the regeneration process by pressing up and down buttons together, and that's going to schedule it for the midnight of the same day. Or else you can press and hold them for 4 seconds, and it's going to start the regeneration process immediately. Alright, that's it. I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.